Hi, this is Jennifer from the New Home Experts, and today we are back out at Skye Canyon. We're touring beautiful Century Communities Skyecrest, specifically the single-story floor plans that they have here. So let's get started right now. So if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about new homes happening here in Las Vegas, then go ahead and subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you can be in the know every time we drop a new video about new homes here in Las Vegas. We get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you looking to make a smooth move to Las Vegas, and we would love to help you make your dream of living in Las Vegas a reality. Hi, so a little bit more information about Skyecrest at Skye Canyon by Century Communities. We're focusing on those single-story floor plans today. They do have three. We did have a client that we're going to show you that purchased the smallest one, which was 2130 square feet. They've got one that's almost 2300. And then, of course, the model that we walked through was 2400 square feet. So they've got three single-story floor plans. There's actually Skyecrest Communities. They're going to be building an east and west side. My client purchased in the west side of the community, where there's going to be a total of 67 homes, both single-story and two-story. And the HOA out here, so you have the Master Association, which is Skye Canyon, and that's $250 quarterly. And then you have the Skyecrest community as well. Their HOA is $249 quarterly. So you've got both those association fees. And again, just want to mention that because there are three single-story floor plans. We walked through the model, and I'm going to show you my clients, but there are a total of three here. And then, of course, the two-story floor plans as well. If you're not familiar with Skye Canyon, this is a great location off the 215 freeway. Also, what happens is a lot of people that are considering Summerlin come up here and decide that this is a great location for them. Price per square foot is a little bit more competitive. And so again, you get a little bit more for your money. Right now, we're standing in the single-story floor plan from Century Communities here at Skyecrest. This is 2,400 square feet. They do have homes here that would be available for a March move-in. We're already into January, so really the end of first quarter, you could be in your brand new home. This one priced with all of your upgrades around $650,000. So let's take a quick look around. So this is the 2,400 square foot single story. They do have one that's a drop smaller. This one, 2,400 square feet, is 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. You walk in through the entry, you've got your 2 bedrooms here that will share a full bathroom. And then I love how this is tucked away. So then you go down, you have a nice open foyer here. You've got your laundry over here. Love, love how spacious this is. So 2,400 square feet laid out as a single story, quite a bit of space. Huge eat-in kitchen here. Peter, you left your, just kidding, leftovers. And then I love this big slider to the backyard. If you saw me earlier in that big puffer jacket, it's pretty freezing here for Las Vegas right now, which is, well, I'm just not that used to it, to be honest with you. But this is a gorgeous kitchen. Let's take a look at your primary bedroom, which is over here. And you've got a really large primary as well. Take a look at this. Super high ceilings, which really adds to the space. And then gorgeous bathroom. And you've got separate sinks here. And then this is a linen closet here. And then you have a good size walk-in closet as well, with just hangers, no clothing. Just to show you the hangers, I suppose. So Century Communities builds quite a bit out here in our valley. So here at Skye Canyon, they're also building quite a bit in Henderson in the master plan of Cadence. And here, what I really love as well is, in addition to the 2 bedrooms in the front, you have another space here. And this is done as an office. So quite a bit of space out here at the Century Communities. Again, and you have all the amenities of Skye Canyon. This community is actually really close to the clubhouse as well, which we will go visit, as well as we're going to take you out in the field and show you the smaller floor plan under construction. Okay, now we are out in the field. It is so cold today, but this again is Century Communities Skyecrest. I wanted to show you because we do have one under contract. So we've got a buyer moving here from California. You can hear that wind, I bet. And this is the smaller floor plan. This is not modeled. This is just over 2,100 square feet. Luckily, I've got my sneakers on. So this particular home will close in probably the end of March. This actually, my client was, we were able to negotiate for him a great deal, under $600,000. So we've got someone in here working, but you can see the floor plan. Here's your front door here. And I love this, that there's a bedroom up front here with its own full bath, which is great. And this is a little over 2,100 square feet. And here is your primary bedroom, or what will be the primary bedroom. What my client really loved about this particular home was the fact that it faces the park and you only have a neighbor on one side. If you do go up the block, they do have homes available that are in framing right now that would be ready by the end of this quarter. We'll come back out here. And you can see, we're standing in the garage, that the front of the house looks out onto this beautiful paseo, the park here. And then there are homes that are going up this direction that, again, that have not been sold yet, that the builder does have some great incentives on. So please make sure to get in contact with us so we can share with you the incentives that are available right now from Century Communities. Rates are coming down. We've got buyers coming back to the market. Better to be buying now during the winter while it's still cold versus the spring season, which we do expect to be busy this year. Okay, let's go check out some of those amenities. So one of the things that I loved best about this Skye Canyon master plan is the amazing amenities here. I haven't seen anything like this anywhere else. I feel like right now I'm like sitting in a cozy ski lodge. I wish I had a cup of hot chocolate with me. Unfortunately, it's Monday and the coffee shop closes at 2 o'clock today, so we just missed that. Anyway, but there's plenty to do up here. Great activities that happen, including a farmer's market every Thursday. And great location. You're still really close to the 215 freeway, so really easy access back down to Summerlin or even the Strip, and then of course really close to Lee Canyon and Mount Charleston. For more information on Skye Canyon and of course the Skyecrest community by Century Communities out here in Skye Canyon, please visit our blog at thenewhomeexperts.com. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.